Welcome to our tutorial on prompt engineering. In this video, we'll explore how to refine prompts for generative AI systems like ChatGPT or DALL-E. Even if you have limited technical knowledge, you can learn to leverage these techniques to get better results from AI models. Let's dive in. Let's start by understanding the concept of prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the process of crafting inputs, prompts, to AI models to get desired outputs. This technique is used to improve the performance of AI systems like ChatGPT or DALL-E. Even if you're not a technical expert, you can still use prompt engineering to interact with these AI models effectively. Now it's time to elaborate the different techniques used in writing prompts. First one is the zero-shot prompting. This type of prompting allows AI models to generate responses even for tasks they haven't been explicitly trained on. It showcases the generalization capability of these models. Here in this example, the model correctly identifies the sentiment of the text as neutral without being explicitly trained on sentiment analysis. Second one is the few-shot prompting / in-context learning, which involves providing a small number of examples to guide the AI model's response. It learns from these examples to generate outputs. In this example, the model generates a sentence using the word fardoodle based on the provided example, demonstrating its ability to learn from context. Third technique is the chain of thought, COT, that enables AI models to perform complex reasoning by breaking it down into smaller steps. This technique enhances the model's understanding and improves the quality of generated outputs. Here is the example, in which the model evaluates whether the sum of odd numbers in a group is even or odd, demonstrating its reasoning ability. Now let's talk about the 6 strategies that may affect in getting better results. The first strategy is to write clear instructions. These models can't read your mind. Provide clear instructions to improve the chances of getting desired outputs. By including details in your query, asking the model to adopt a persona, using delimiters to indicate distinct parts of the input, and by specifying the desired length of the output, we will be able to provide clear instruction. Here in this example, the clear instruction helps the model understand the specific task the user wants to perform. The second strategy is to provide reference text. In this case, language models can confidently invent fake answers, especially for esoteric topics. Providing reference text helps in obtaining more accurate responses. Here's tactics helps in this case. Instruct the model to answer using a reference text. Instruct the model to answer with citations from a reference text. This example shows the model is instructed to use provided reference articles to generate the answer, ensuring accuracy. Let's come to third strategy, that is to split complex tasks into simpler subtasks, which involves the breakdown complex tasks into smaller, manageable subtasks to reduce errors and improve performance. This is how we can split by using intent classification to identify relevant instructions, summarizing or filtering previous dialogue for dialogue applications, and summarizing long documents piecewise. The expl shows customer service queries are classified into primary and secondary categories to simplify handling. The fourth strategy is to give the model time to think. That allow the model time to reason and generate accurate responses by not rushing to a conclusion. This is how it can be done by instructing the model to work out its own solution before concluding, using inner monologue or sequence of queries to hide the reasoning process, and asking the model if it missed anything on previous passes. In this example, the model evaluates the correctness of a student's solution by analyzing the provided problem statement and solution. Here is next strategy: use external tools that enhance model performance by integrating external tools for specific tasks, such as text retrieval systems or code execution engines. It can be done by using embeddings-based search for efficient knowledge retrieval, using code execution for accurate calculations or external APIs, and providing the model access to specific functions. The last one is the test changes systematically, that evaluate model outputs systematically to ensure improvements in performance without sacrificing overall quality. It can be done by evaluating model outputs with reference to gold standard answers. Conclusion. Prompt engineering is a powerful technique for improving the performance of AI models. By understanding different prompting techniques and implementing strategies for better results, even beginners can effectively leverage AI systems for various tasks. Experiment with these techniques and strategies to see how they can enhance your interactions with AI models. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.